The internet has opened up incredible opportunities to earn money from anywhere in the world. With just a laptop and an internet connection, you can tap into a global marketplace and find work that suits your skills and interests. More and more people are turning to online side hustles to supplement their income. These side hustles range from freelance writing and graphic design to virtual assistants and online tutoring. A side hustle is extra work you do alongside your regular job. It can be a great way to make use of your free time and turn your hobbies or skills into a source of income. It allows you to explore your passions, gain new skills, and boost your income. Many people find that their side hustles help them develop professionally and personally. Online side hustles are particularly appealing because of their flexibility. You can set your own hours and work at your own pace, making it easier to balance with other commitments. You can work from home, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. This flexibility allows you to fit your side hustle around your lifestyle, rather than the other way around. The earning potential is also significant, with some side hustles even turning into full-time businesses. Many successful entrepreneurs started with a simple side hustle that grew over time, whether you are a student, stay-at-home parent, or simply looking to earn extra cash. There is an online side hustle out there for you. The variety of opportunities means that there is something for everyone, regardless of your background or experience. It's time to explore these opportunities and unlock your earning potential. With dedication and effort, you can turn your side hustle into a rewarding and profitable venture. Freelancing is a popular online side hustle that has gained immense traction in recent years. It involves offering your skills and services to clients on a project basis, allowing you to work from anywhere. There are numerous freelance platforms where you can create a profile, showcase your skills, and find clients looking for your expertise. Some popular freelance niches include writing, editing, graphic design, web development, and virtual assistants. These fields offer a wide range of opportunities for freelancers to explore and excel in. The key to success in freelancing is to identify your strengths and market them effectively. Knowing what you excel at can set you apart from the competition. Build a strong portfolio that showcases your best work, highlighting your skills and previous projects. Networking is also crucial. Don't be afraid to connect with potential clients and other freelancers. Freelancing offers flexibility, variety, and the opportunity to be your own boss. It allows you to manage your own time and choose projects that interest you. Blogging is another lucrative online side hustle that allows you to share your passion and knowledge with the world. Start by choosing a niche that interests you and create high-quality content that provides value to your readers. Monetize your blog through various methods such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling your own products or services. Building a successful blog takes time and effort, but the rewards can be significant. Consistency is key. Post regularly and engage with your audience to grow your readership and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Section 4. The exciting realm of e-commerce. E-commerce is booming, and starting an online store has never been easier. You can sell physical products, digital products, or even dropship products directly from suppliers. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon make it simple to set up your online store and start selling. Research your target market, choose products with high demand, and create compelling product descriptions and images. Effective marketing is crucial for driving traffic to your store and generating sales. Utilize social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to reach your target audience. Section 5. Practical tips for side hustle success. No matter which online side hustle you choose, there are some universal tips for success. These tips can help you stay focused, organized, and motivated. First and foremost, treat your side hustle like a business. Set clear goals, create a schedule, and stick to it. Consistency is key. Track your income and expenses meticulously. This will help you understand your financial progress and make informed decisions. Invest in yourself and your skills. Take online courses, attend workshops, and read books related to your field. Seek out mentors to enhance your knowledge and expertise. Networking is also crucial. A good mentor can provide valuable insights and guidance. Connect with other entrepreneurs and side hustlers online and offline to learn from their experiences, share ideas, and build relationships. Networking can open doors to new opportunities. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay patient, keep working hard, and stay committed to your goals. your dedication will pay off in the long run. Section 6. Real stories, real inspiration. Countless individuals have successfully turned their side hustles into thriving businesses. Take for example Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who started a freelance writing side hustle and now earns a full-time income from home. Or consider John, who launched an e-commerce store selling handmade leather goods and now employs a small team to fulfill orders. These stories highlight the transformative power of online side hustles. They demonstrate that with hard work, dedication, and a bit of creativity, you can achieve your financial goals and live life on your own terms. Section 7. Take the leap. Your side hustle journey begins today. The world of online side hustles is full of opportunities waiting to be explored. Whether you're passionate about writing, design, e-commerce, or any other skill, there's a place for you online. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. Start small, take action, and learn as you go. The internet has empowered individuals to create their own destinies, and your side hustle journey can begin today. Embrace the possibilities, unlock your potential, and start building the life you've always dreamed of.